Tim and these guys are going to form, pour, and finish a stamped concrete patio. They started by prepping the ground with a gravel base. Then, they poured the concrete. Such a satisfying process. They are using a wood plank stamp pattern on the patio. Also using a flagstone stamped pattern. Using water, resin, polymer, and applying it on the concrete. They also sprayed a water muriatic acid solution on the surface. In the end, they applied a solvent-based clear sealer on all of the concrete. Incredible work!